Thank you, Chairman. What I'd like to just kind of tell a story. A year ago, or actually it was last year, I went to a Labor Day parade, and as we were getting ready to march, there was a group of folks that were marching with the previous congressman. They had T-shirts on that said, "Big and small, check them all." I thought, what's that mean? Well, I realized what it meant, and for me as a small business owner, I have 15 years of union background, and currently I'm a small business owner. But and previously using the secret ballot, I truly believe that the secret ballot is our birthright, and that it should not be bypassed through card check or whatever ways or means that are decided. And I guess I have a question and I have a lot of friends in labor. I am not anti-union. I'm pro-business and I'm pro-labor, but it has to be an even mesh to where we don't put one side or the other out. And one of the things I wanted to ask Mr. West, with a small business, like mine, for example, do you believe, because a few weeks after this Labor Day parade, the congressman said to me that I should unionize my pizzeria in Moline, Illinois. Sir, do you believe that all businesses across the United States should be unionized, or just some, or?
I truly feel that there are some businesses out there that probably unionization would not benefit. But as far as like the poster goes, I do believe that's a fairness issue. You're posting for the employees what their rights are. Me as an employer, I have 45 people. I know every one of them by name. I know their families. I have contact with them on a daily basis. So I can put forth my issues as a business owner to them at any time I want, or their supervisor can. I think this poster is just a fairness issue. We're putting up a poster, and these employees can look and see the rights that they're entitled to. Whether they want to implement those or act on those, that's an entirely different issue, but I do think they should know their rights. But I also believe that there are certain businesses that have no need to be unionized, or that unionization would not be helpful.
Right, and I don't believe that anybody on the panel believes that employees should not know their rights. I don't see it. One of the things I think some of the folks here would be shocked, being a small business owner, is that a lot of our small businesses have no idea that you can go online to pull this $85 poster up, because that's when they mail out. They mail out and you get all these special deals in the mail. But that you can blind dial to any business in your district and ask them, hey, do you know that you can get this poster for free? And I guarantee you half of them will tell you, no, I did not know that. As a matter of fact, I'm one that just found out today, and I've been in business for 15 years. So, I think that it's about getting information out to people and doing it properly. One of the things I do have a question on this poster is now, because it is about getting information out to people. I mean, I think that's what we're looking at doing. It shows how to unionize. I haven't seen the poster per se, but it just shows what you need to do to become unionized. Is that what it basically is, Ms. Melito?
It provides information. I wouldn't say it provides information on how to become unionized, but certainly it indicates that you have the right to join a union. You have the right to strike. It goes on. I don't have it all in front of me, but the litany of things that certainly you could do. Your rights under the National Labor Relations Act. And you're right, this is not about withholding information from employees. But it's about making sure that there's a balanced approach to labor law, which is the intent of the National Labor Relations Act, and ensuring that employers' rights are preserved. I would go back to Ms. Hahn's point there. She talked with 50 small businesses. Did she provide them with a copy of this poster? It would be nice if she had, because that's what I'm doing a lot of now. I'm getting this information out to my members. I'm not a registered lobbyist at NFIB. Most of my job is to provide education and compliance assistance to our members. I'm working the dickens right now to get this information out to my members. Make sure they get this poster up. You need to get this up. You need to be in compliance. Yes, we have this lawsuit going on, and I do hope the court is going to strike down the law. But at the same time, I want to make sure that our employers know that this does need to be posted. Our members want to be in compliance with the law, and if that requires them to post this poster, so be it. But they want to be in compliance. They want to do what is required under the law. They don't want to violate the National Labor Relations Act, the OSHA law, the wage and hour law, or any of the other laws. They just want to be told what to do. So it's trying to get the information out to both the employers and the employees. Thank you.
Very good. I just want to thank the panel for being here, and I yield back my time.